Hello everyone and welcome me to my channel. Today my topic is about Honda Civic. The 2024 Honda Civic is a redesign of the popular compact car. It features a more modern and stylish design as well as a number of new features and technologies. 2024 Honda Civic is a redesign of the popular compact car. It features a more modern and stylish design as well as a number of new features and technologies. Honda Civic. One of the most noticeable changes is the new front end, which features a more aggressive and sporty look. Headlights are now slimmer and more angular and the grille is larger and more prominent. Rear end has also been redesigned with new taillights and a more sculpted bumper. Inside, the Civic gets a more upscale cabin with higher quality materials and more features. The dashboard is now more minimalist and modern, and the center console features a new touchscreen infotainment system. The seats are also more comfortable. 2024 Honda Civic interior has been completely redesigned, with the focus on creating a more upscale and modern feel. The dashboard is now more minimalist and streamlined with a full-width honeycomb pattern mesh design element. The center console features a new touchscreen infotainment system that is larger and more user-friendly than the previous system. Seats are also new and more comfortable with better support and padding. Front seats are available with heating and ventilation, and the rear seats are available with a 60-40 split fold-down design. Civic's interior is also more spacious than before, with more legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The cargo area has also been increased with 14.8 cubic feet of space behind the rear seats. Available interior features on the 2024 Civic include leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, dual-zone automatic climate control, heated front seats, leather-trimmed seats, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, compatible wireless device charger, Honda satellite link navigation system, Bose premium sound system. Overall, 2024 Honda Civic interior is a significant improvement over the previous generation. It is more spacious, comfortable, and well-appointed. New design is also more modern and stylish, which helps to make the Civic feel more upscale. I hope you liked my video. Follow for more videos and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.